Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an electric ukulele using an easy method. We will cover all the steps from gathering your materials to playing your newly amplified instrument. This simple modification allows you to connect your ukulele to an amplifier, opening up a world of new sounds and performance opportunities. You will be amazed at how straightforward it is to achieve a professional-sounding result with just a few basic tools and components. To begin, you will need just a few key components for your electric ukulele project. First, grab a piezoelectric pickup, which is essentially a small contact microphone that senses vibrations. You will also need a standard 1/4-inch output jack, the same kind found on electric guitars. Don't forget some thin gauge insulated wire, a small amount of solder, a soldering iron, and a drill for making a precise hole. Now let's get to the installation. First, carefully drill a small, precise hole on the side of your ukulele, typically near the bottom, to accommodate the 1/4-inch output jack. Next, mount the piezoelectric pickup inside the ukulele body, usually on the soundboard or bridge, using adhesive. Then, solder the pickup's 2 wires to the appropriate terminals on the output jack. Finally, secure the jack firmly in the drilled hole. With the installation complete, it is time to connect and play. Simply plug your newly electrified ukulele into an amplifier using a standard instrument cable. Turn on your amplifier and test the sound. You might experiment with the pickup's exact placement inside the ukulele to find the best tone. Now you can enjoy your amplified ukulele, perfect for performing or just practicing with more volume and presence. It is truly that easy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.